Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your funds from Intuit, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant documentation related to your transaction with Intuit. This includes invoices, receipts, and any communications you've had with their support team. Next, log into your Intuit account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Help or Support section of their website. Look for the option related to refunds or recovery of funds. Click on it to access detailed guidelines provided by Intuit. If you can't find the specific information you need, consider using the search bar. Type in keywords like refund or recover funds for targeted results. After that, you may want to initiate a live chat with a customer service representative. Explain your situation clearly and mention any relevant transaction details. If live chat isn't available, look for a customer support phone number. Prepare to provide your account details and transaction information during the call. Once your case is presented, ask for the next steps in the recovery process. If your issue is not resolved, insist on speaking with a supervisor for further assistance. Be sure to keep records of all communications for future reference. If you still encounter challenges, consider filing a dispute with your bank or credit card issuer. Keep your documentation organized and accessible throughout the process. Following these steps can help streamline your effort to recover funds from Intuit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.